Hey there, welcome to Daily News Vocabulary with the Wordsmith. Want to sound smarter in your conversations, interviews, or in debates? These powerful words from the news will give your English a serious upgrade. Let's learn them with easy visuals and real life usages. First up, we have thwart. It means to stop something from happening or to prevent someone from achieving something. The security forces thwarted the terrorist attack just in time. Next up, we have stasher. It means a person's reputation or importance or their height. Her international stature as a human rights activist has grown over the years. And finally, we have hull loss. It is a word that is used usually in the aviation department, and it refers to an accident that destroys or severely damages the aircraft beyond repair. The airline confirmed the incident was a total hull loss, but all passengers survived. Now it's your turn. Choose one of today's words and make your own sentences and drop it in the comments. Now, let's quickly recap the three words. Thwart, to stop or prevent something. Stasher, reputation or level of importance. Hull loss, complete destruction of an aircraft. Nice! You just boosted your vocabulary with 3 words. It's me, the Wordsmith, signing off, and don't forget to like, share, and follow for smart daily words. Thank you.